Welcome back, guys. You're watching Ride.Enduro. In today's video, we're going to take a ride down a trail I had never ridden before. This is the first time down this trail, and it just turned out to be an awesome day. I was jiving with it, and it just makes it so exciting when every corner is new, every hill and tree route and downed log is all new to you. When you're trying to go quick, you got to react quick, and man, does that get the blood pumping. This was a great ride. Check it out.
Sketchy going through the tight stuff on these two-way trails, man. Always got to be looking down. Make sure no one's coming up the opposite direction. Oh, this is awesome. Well, I want to go up there. Oh, this trail's fun.
You must have been flying.
Yeah, I was in third.
Oh, we come over that ridge and I'm like, holy crap, he's already back over the next ridge.
The faster you go on this fucking bike, the smoother suspension is.
Just hammer through.
Oh man, which is scary, but also awesome. Okay, good. Pretty good, hey?
Yeah.
This is the, we made a right turn down there.
Oh, we did.
So this is the start of that circle loop. Oh, get down. Oh, the old clothesliner. Oh, that's tight. Yeehaw, man. This is good stuff. Nice second gear stuff for the YZ today. On the way down we are. Oh, pretty rocky in here, holy. Oh, tight corner. Lots of body movement in these tight downhill corners. Try to keep your body weight central on the bike and still be able to work the handlebars around those corners. Oh, except when you lean too hard and you get a tree in the shoulder. Felt like my hockey days, body checking. A really, really big dude. Little downhill hop. Oh, dude, this is sketchy. Straight down, super loose. That's technical. Oh, that looked intimidating. I kind of want to go back up it. Get up in the third. Because why not? Woo! Back down to second. Oh no! I get low, get low.
Hey, thanks for watching. You made it this far, you might as well hit that subscription button. You know you want more.